Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, we are just going to be quickly diving into one of the most powerful tools that you can add to your MetaTrader 4 platform, okay? If you use MetaTrader 4 to trade, then you want to watch this video, all right? We are just going to look at one of the best MT4 support and resistance indicators, okay? Maybe you have been wondering whether there is a particular indicator that can help you with support and resistance zones, okay? Stay tuned. Now, support and resistance, basically, in case if you are still new to the concept, it is the foundation of technical analysis, all right? These are the zones where price reacts, okay? Where price bounces or where price reverses. If you look at your chart, you will see that there are places where if price gets to that zone, most likely it's either price is going to, stall around that zone or price is going to reverse. So this is a particular zone now. Here, price got rejected. You can see it eventually broke out and it acted as a support, rejected, it broke out, acted as a resistance, rejected. Here again, it came, acted as a resistance. Here it got rejected. Here again, it got rejected. So this is one of such zones that we are talking about. All right. So these are the zones where price reacts, bounces, or reverses. If you have ever stared at your chart wondering where the market might turn, then this video is for you. Okay. The indicator that we are going to be looking at, takes the guesswork out of drawing levels. Instead of manually marking zones which can be inconsistent, the MT4 support and resistance indicator automatically highlights the key areas where price has reacted the most in the past. All right, so these areas act as magnets for price, and being aware of them gives you a serious edge. Okay, so I am just going to show you how to install this indicator. Of course, it's a custom indicator. What were you expecting, right? The indicator we are going to be discussing is a custom indicator. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process. You will download the indicator. You add the indicator to your indicators file and all of that, okay? So stay tuned as we move forward. So now we are just going to be downloading the indicator, all right? Support and resistance indicator MT4. Okay, so I'm going to take you through the process, and it's very easy. All right, it's a very easy process. Now we are going to be using the indicator spot platform. Okay, just click on this support and resistance indicator for MT4, just tap on it. All right, okay, and then once our web page is done loading, we are going to download the indicator. I'm going to show you exactly how to use the indicator. It's very easy. It's actually self-explanatory. All right, it's actually self-explanatory. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. All right. This is actually one of the sites that I, usually download custom indicators from. So, if you are seeking any custom indicator that you're not sure if such is existing or not, this is one of the sites that you can, just come and check out if you're going to find the indicator there, right? Okay, we are in. So we're just going to click the download button. Okay, we're going to click the download button. All right, and we're going to just click on save. Okay, so now we are going to open the file. All right, okay, so if you if you see, this is a folder, right? Now, the only thing that we need is the ex4 file, okay? So we're going to copy this ex4 file, and we're going to come back to our MT4. We're going to come to File, Open Data Folder, all right? And we're going to go to MQL4, and we're going to go to Indicators, and we are going to paste that file here. Okay, you can see the support resistance indicator.ex4. So what's going to happen next is you come back to your MT4 platform, go to your navigator, all right? When you go to your navigator, just right click and refresh, okay? The reason why we are refreshing is so that the indicator we just added right now is going to reflect, all right? So now let us go to look for the indicator. Okay, you can see it here, it has appeared. Okay, so we're just going to drag and drop, all right? Allow DLL imports. The input, you can leave it the way it is, you can leave this the way it is, and boom, we are going to add it to the chart. Okay, so now this indicator automatically highlights zones for you, right? You can see. Let me remove this. So let me increase the thickness of the indicator. Okay, let's increase the width. So basically, this is just one of the indicators that you can try out. Okay, it might not be exactly the best for you, but of course you can see that it does the heavy lifting for you. It points out support and resistance zones for you, so you don't always have to do that manually. All right, if you are not satisfied with this indicator, then probably you can decide to, look for another one. All right, but this indicator, as you can see, helps you identify support and resistance zones, okay, one after the other. All right, so basically swing highs and swing lows. If you can see, the indicator highlights swing highs and swing lows for you, right? So if you are not sure where a particular level is, can you see that? Let me remove this this line and this rectangle that I did, right? You can see that the indicator already pointed out this place. Can you see? This is what this is from the indicator. You can see here, support resistance indicator. It is the indicator that drew this line. It is the indicator that drew this other line here, right? So the indicator also drew this line, drew this line. Now you can see that there are shorter lines across different swing highs and lows, but there are also the longer ones. Okay, maybe you can just decide to pay attention to the longer ones. All right, so now is, like I said, this indicator is self-explanatory. Once you install the indicator, you'll see the horizontal lines plotted across your chart. They're not random lines, right? They're calculated based on the historical price data, right? Showing the zones where buyers and sellers have stepped in. Okay, so that means instead of clustering your chart with too many levels, you'll see the ones that matter. All right, and in case of if you are not sure of which levels are important levels, you can see that this indicator actually does the job for you. Okay, now here is why that's important. Trading without accurate support and resistance can feel like navigating without a map. You might enter trades at the wrong places or maybe exit too early. So with this indicator, you can plan your entries and exits more logically. All right, you know where price is likely to stall, reverse, or break through. For example, now you can see this particular support zone. This indicator has pointed it out for us, pointed out this one too. So when price gets to this level, we can expect the price to stall a bit or maybe even reverse. Okay, so that's just an example. You can see in this particular place now, had it been you saw this line on time, probably after this line was drawn, maybe before this particular move got there, Had it been you had seen this line, maybe you would have looked for a good sell opportunity around that zone, right? So now in this case, we're going to be looking for a good buy opportunity around this zone or this zone. Okay, so if price approaches a strong resistance line, you'll know it's an area where sellers might step in. If it breaks through that line, the resistance will often turn into a support. Okay, so on the other hand, if price comes down to a support line and holds, it's often a sign that buyers are defending that level. Having these zones marked out lets you anticipate market behavior instead of reacting blindly. And here's the best part: the indicator updates automatically as new price data comes in. That means you are always working with fresh, relevant levels. So no need to redraw the lines or manually draw the line. The indicator does the job for you basically. All right. So if you've ever struggled with inconsistent support and resistance analysis, this indicator can save you some time, and give you more confidence. Okay, it simplifies the process so you can focus on making smarter decisions instead of second guessing your charts. So before we wrap up, let me give you a quick tip. Okay, you can combine this indicator with other tools such as moving averages or candlestick patterns to increase your accuracy. When support and resistance lines align with other signals, it often results in stronger setups. So there you have it, guys. This is one of the MetaTrader 4 support and resistance indicators that you can try out. Okay, remember that best indicators in quotes, right, depends on the trader. An indicator that I find very useful to me might not necessarily be very useful to you, or maybe the indicator you consider the best indicator for you might not be the best for me. Okay, so I am not exactly going to say this is the best indicator, right? I'm just going to say that it's one of the the nice, okay, it's one of the nice indicators that you can consider using for support and resistance identification. Okay, if that's fine. All right, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful, and turn on your notifications as well so that you will always be updated when I drop new content. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.